Hello everyone, today we are in Solaria in our new listing. My name is Gaby Lopez.
And I'm Jesus Valenzuela, and Solaria is located in El Tezal. There's a beautiful condominium complex. It has adults clubhouse, kids pool, beautiful gardens, pickleball, and stunning ocean views to Land's End.
Yes, so come with us and I'm going to show you this amazing one-bedroom condo in the middle of El Tezal.
A great added value in this condo is that it has a garden. So you get more square feet, you can put in a pool, you can put in a jacuzzi, you can also put all the area for your pets and even just do some planting.
So this is a one-bedroom condo, but it's a pretty big condo. It is over 900 square feet interior, and in total with the garden is over 1,500. It is, as I said before, one bedroom and two full bedrooms. So if you have visitors, they can have their own bathroom. Also, what is really good about here is that from here you have your gate. You can walk to the clubhouse, which is just in front of here. You have pickleball court, you have the pool for adults, you have a pool for kids, you have a small restaurant, gym, and a space for a spa. I mean, this place has it all, and also a great ocean view and the arch side.
What did you think about the condo? Isn't Solaria beautiful?
It is beautiful. Yeah, but not only that, we are surrounded by mountains. See here, it's so beautiful, so quiet, peaceful. So this is a great place to be. So guys, the price is only $375,000. If you want more information, contact us, please. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in our next video.
Bye.